This is Dr. Michael Nugent, the shooting dentist, and today I'm going to try out my new SilcencerCo barrel. I originally bought one and I was having failure to fire, failure to eject, so I emailed them. SilcencerCo was great, they replied quickly, sent me out a new barrel, and I just sent the old one back. So this is going to be the very first time I try the new SilcencerCo barrel. Let's see if she runs. Not looking good. Nope, we're struggling. So when I first put on the barrel, it was super tight. I don't know if I just need to shoot it unsuppressed, break it in, but so far no go with the SilcencerCo barrel.